Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, 29th May 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of May, 2025, our system has categorized NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.26. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 3.66%. This amounts to an average daily loss of approximately 0.92% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are anticipated. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 14.61% over the next 3 months, with a possible fluctuation ranging from a drop of 37.44% to an increase of 4.93%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests an expected decline of about 11.72%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between a decrease of 27.65% and an increase of 59.12% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.66 and $5.86. In our latest daily update for NIO, the headline reveals that the stock price finished at $3.68 on Thursday, after an increase of 0.272%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, NIO stock price rose from $3.67 to $3.68. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.01%, with a low of $3.66 and a high of $3.77. The price has decreased in 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 10.9% during this period. Additionally, trading volume fell by 5 million shares on the last day, totaling 22 million shares traded for approximately $81,040,000. It is important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price stands 52.27% or $4.03 below the 52-week high and 94.51% or $63.31 below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO stock has seen a significant decline ahead of its first quarter earnings report scheduled for the 3rd of June, with analysts predicting a loss of 22 cents per share on revenues of $1,701 million. This drop may indicate investor caution as concerns grow over an escalating price war in China's electric vehicle market. NIO, currently the third largest electric vehicle manufacturer in China, is facing intense competition, particularly from BYD, which has implemented price cuts across its models, raising questions about market sustainability. In recent trading, NIO stock also experienced downward pressure following a retreat in Hong Kong, reaching its lowest level since late April, representing a stark 52% drop from its peak in 2024. Such volatility is not unusual given the competitive landscape and evolving consumer dynamics within the electric vehicle sector. Looking ahead, the short-term outlook for NIO stock price appears bearish as investors respond to these earnings risks and external market pressures. However, in the long run, NIO's innovative strategy involving swappable battery packs and its established market position may lay the groundwork for recovery and growth. Investors will need to closely monitor the upcoming earnings report and any strategic responses from NIO to the ongoing competitive threats in order to assess potential price movements. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact short-term developments. The NIO stock currently displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more pessimistic outlook. There is also a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there may be resistance at the levels of $3.81 and $3.87. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Monday, April 28, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by approximately 14.62%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots revealed a sell signal 23 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we note the short moving average indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average revealed a buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages demonstrated a buy signal 40 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.52, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 11 cents between its high and low, which amounts to 3.01%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.55%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may alert us to insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 3rd of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 22 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, This could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.52. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock took place over 3 months ago. The latest transaction occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Incorporated executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several negative signals and is currently within a very wide and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will likely perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 30th of May, we expect NIO to open higher by approximately 2.33 cents and begin trading at $3.70. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.